2930 Phoenix Tower, wind 0907, runway 7 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 7 left. You got the trucks out?
American 2930, that's affirmed that they are on frequency with transmit and receive capability.
Great, thanks.
Hello, it's 4352 due to emergency traffic inbound, and I have one runway on the south complex that'll be tied up. You can expect to hold, reduce speed to 210, then descend to maintain 11,000.
Hold 210 on the speed and 11,000. Southwest 4352.
It's 4352, thank you, I appreciate that. And I don't have an expect further clearance time for you at this moment, but it's going to be a few minutes.
All right, thank you.
American 2930, Phoenix approach, are you up?
We just checked in, 12000 emergency aircraft.
American 2930, Phoenix approach, Phoenix altimeters, 29er, I'll have lower for you shortly.
American 2930, 299er, roger.
American 2930, when able, request souls on board and fuel remaining.
I got 4 hours of fuel and we got 168 souls on board.
American 2930, Phoenix approach, roger, thank you. American 2930, descend to maintain 1111, correction, descend to maintain 11,000. So it's 4352, just to kind of give you an idea what I'd like to do. I'd like to take you down towards the final. I'll leave you, I can descend you to whatever altitude you're comfortable with, or leave you at 11 to 10,000, and then I'm going to vector you out to the west and then kind of bring you back in on the localizer, and hopefully by then I'll have the runway back.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, whatever works good for you. We have a little while that we can hold or take extended vectors, so at this point, whatever works best for you.
Southwest 4352, thank you. American 2930, traffic 11 o'clock 5 miles northbound, level 9000 is a Delta Airlines Boeing 737. I'll have lower for you shortly.
Yeah, I got the Boeing inside American 2930.
American 2930, fly heading of 220, descend and maintain 10,000.
Heading 220 and descend to 10,000, American 2930.
American 2930, descend and maintain 7,000.
2930.
Southwest 4352, descend and maintain 10,000.
Maintain 10,000, Southwest 4352.
2930, when able, reduce speed to 210. American 2930, when able, reduce speed to 210.
2930.
American 2930, descend and maintain 4,000, fly heading 250, vectors to final.
American 2930.
Southwest 4352, fly heading 150, vectors for your delay.
Was 4352.
And for American 2930, we'd like to take a turn outside of Miles.
American 2930, you want about a 10-mile final?
Yeah, that'll work.
Copy that, sir.
Southwest 2321's with you at a 14 for 12 information. Fox 1000, we're entering, holding at Bruiser.
Okay, a couple calls there. Southwest 2321, are you entering the hold, or were you told to descend via?
We should be in the hold here soon, but we're out of 14 for 12.
Southwest 2321, Phoenix approach, roger. I'll keep you updated as to the status of the runway.
Thank you.
Southwest 4204, I missed your check-in.
Yeah, we're passing 15,000 for 14,000, about to enter the hold at Bruiser.
Southwest 4204, Phoenix approach, roger. Thank you. The Phoenix altimeter is 2999er.
2999.
American 2930, turn left, heading 180.
Hey, approach Southwest 4352.
Southwest 4352, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry for saying this, but we're just kind of curious if you think it'll be an extended delay. We basically have 200 or 300 pounds of gas to play with, and then we'll have to go to Tucson.
Okay.
We're in the same boat for Southwest 4204.
That's 4204, roger. That's 4352. I can't give you an estimate, to be quite honest with you. I don't know how long it's going to take for the aircraft to clear the runway and or for them to do something standby. Okay, 2930, turn left heading of 100, intercept the 7 right localizer, advise when you have Phoenix International in sight, 9 o'clock, 14 mile. Alright. Maybe 7 left.
Alright, left on 100 and we got the field inside, American 2930.
American 2930, flying heading 0100, cleared visual approach, runway 7 to the left.
There's the visual 7 left, American 2930.
That's 4352. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, but if you need to divert to Tucson, just let me know and I'll start the process.
Understand. Thank you very much.
Sure. Southwest 4204, again for you. If as I find out more information, I will pass it along as soon as I get it. I do understand your situation, and as soon as I find anything out, I will get back to you immediately.
Okay, Southwest 4204, copy. Just enter the hole.
Copy that, sir. Thank you. American 2930, contact Phoenix Tower on 134.85.
Your help, American 2930.
Yes, sir. No problem.
That frequency here for 2930.
American 2930, contact Phoenix Tower on 134.85. 3485.
At a 3485, thanks. Tower, American 2930 on the visual 7 left.
2930, Phoenix Tower, wind 0907, runway 7 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 7 left. You got the trucks out?
American 2930, that's affirmed that they are on frequency with transmit and receive capability.
Great, thanks.
Fire Command, Phoenix Tower, next traffic to land, runway 7 left will be your emergency aircraft, American 2930.
Fire Command, copy. Next aircraft land, American 2930, Fire Command.
Battalion 19, Foam 1. Battalion 19, Foam 1.
Foam 1, aircraft over numbers.
Battalion 19, Foam 1. Aircraft over the numbers.
American 2930, Fire Command. How can we help you, sir?
We got any kind of smoke or anything in the tail?
American 2930, Fire Command. I did not copy that. What was your question?
We're going to go ahead and exit here at the end of the runway, and if you guys can follow us on the taxiway and see if there's any kind of smoke on our tail.
Fire Command copies that. You're going to go ahead and exit onto the taxiway. As of this time, we're following up behind you. We do not see any smoke exiting the tail of your aircraft.
And how about the wheels?
Wheels are looking good. Do you need us to check brake temps, or do you have sensors in your cockpit there?
We got the sensors. Just wanted to double check. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and exit the runway here now.
Fire Command copy. You're going to exit the runway. You're going to come to a stop so we can take a look at it.
No, we're just going to go ahead and head to the gate. We really appreciate your help.
Fire Command copies. You want to go ahead and continue to your gate. So do you still have the smell of smoke in your cockpit, or is it gone?
The fumes, it was actually in the cabin, not in the cockpit.
Copy that. Fumes in the cabin. Are they gone? You still have them?
Still have them.
You want to continue the gate? We're going to go ahead and follow you into the gate then.
Okay, that works. You can just follow to the gate. Thanks.
Fire Command copies. We're going to follow you to the gate.
American 2930, continue taxi via the east route. Just remain this frequency. I'll have the ground controller pick up this frequency for you.
All right, we'll go east route American 2930 next.
American 2930 Fire Command, be advised, we've got some units close to your aircraft. They're saying they see a little bit of white wispy smoke coming from your right of the 2 engine.
Okay, we copy that.
Stand by on the runway, please.
Tower for the east route, do we make a left on Charlie here for 2930?
American 2930, finish contact via Charlie Point Juliet.
Charlie Point Juliet, thank you, American 2930.
American 2930 Fire Command, do you have any smoke in your cabin or smell of fumes
fumes is in the cabin. Captain's on the radio with the flight attendants right now. That's the fumes, and yes, affirmative, is still in the cabin. That's correct.
2930 Bar Command, we have passengers on board. Next flight is going to be okay.
Flight attendants notified us they have headaches.
I did not copy what you said about the flight.
The flight attendants were complaining about headaches after they smelled some of the fumes, so we can have paramedics meet us at the gate as well.